Alright, this is our drive back to our campsite from Carlsbad Caverns. I think we're only like 6 minutes away from White City, which is the nearest small town right before you get into the Carlsbad Caverns. But from White City, you're basically on the path, toward the park already. But yeah, it's gonna be. I mean, I don't know if you call this off-road. It's pretty bumpy, but I think you can handle it with two-wheel drive if you don't mind. A lot of rocks, but on the map actually for the campgrounds, and you'll see the sign in a minute. I think it was Sunset Reef or something. I'll see it in a minute. But on the map, it looks like it's right next to the highway, and it's not. You have to take a left at. I have a previous video, and it's Sunset Reef Campground. Yeah, you cannot see it from the highway. You have to take a left from the highway, then a right on that path I was on here. So. And it's being maintained. There's on that sign. It's all the. I guess there's groups or some companies. All right, I did have the Jeep there earlier. I took the campsite on the corner. Look, there's a bunch of other ones here too. But I decided just to back it in like this, and that way we can kind of put our stuff out here. And there's a lot of room. We got a camp ring too, a fire ring. So all this took several hours and much help getting that up. I got the fire going too. Some fajitas on. 3 people working. It took a couple hours though. Alright, we got the fajitas going. Fire looked good. This time I did a big difference of. This time made a big difference when I cut the wood down to little sticks. I bought a special splitter for it. Doesn't work for a lot of them, but I found a few, so I got a few sticks and was able to make it. So that's the fajitas in the natural light as we're cooking it. But I'm just gonna put the regular light on it. I'm in my headlamp, and it's too bright. There we go. That's a lot better, right? These are pre-seasoned fajitas coming in a pack from HEB. Yeah, but fire's going pretty good, and we're cooking up. It's taking a little, but it's getting there. We're cooking now. Alright, so here's my cooking tip. I basically wait till the blood starts pulling up, and once it's all over, not just one spot, the whole thing is all full of juices, flip it, and I do it again. I keep doing that until those liquids are clear, and that's how you know it's done. That's what I do. Everything just came off the fire. It was steamy. Oh, they're still steaming. Okay, we're gonna try cutting them, see if they're good. So one's cutting it over there. Any ones that are still a little red because it's uneven cooking with the fire, I'll just throw it back on here. Okay, it's looking good. Now I gotta put them in now. Okay, I found a good way to heat up a bunch of tortillas quick. Okay, put a new full off the grill on your fajitas and everything. Have the fire offset. Now I accidentally did this because I pushed the fire that way because I wanted it for heat, and I thought I was done cooking. But then I was reminded I need to heat up the fajitas. So you just, offset it enough to where it's hot. Okay, now these are getting warm. Kind of take those off. Okay. Okay, I'm putting them over here in a little makeshift tortilla warmer. Okay, and then, getting these going. You just touch it, feel it. It's warm. Flip it. Right. Okay, but I'm doing like 6 at a time on this, so it's pretty good. Okay, these are good. Okay. Don't stack them. I just did that because I have the phone in my hand. All right.